All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol ADT Inc. And before I jump into this chart, this is the main news here, and this is under securities of purchase agreement with Google of shares of B class common stock being acquired at per share purchase price of $8.22. So Google is definitely buying out ADT. I'm not sure how much and how much percentage or all the percentage, but that has a major impact on why this rose and brought itself to newer highs. Honestly, this has just been floating, breaking over the 50-day moving average, hanging out. Obviously, this is above a little bit of blue chip stocks. Um, it's above a penny stock. Penny stocks are usually $5 or less. This was hanging out at well over $5 and around $7 to $8, and then it just skyrocketed once this news happened. And here we are analyzing it. So, first time viewers, welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. I hope you learned something new and you find this chart analysis helpful and informative. So, don't forget to hit the like button and let's make some money, right? So, let's jump into this. The resistance level is way up here at 1463, and if that gets broken through by the bulls, yes, this could be working its way up. It could use it as support to break through new resistance levels, but the most important resistance level here, that is in the zoomed in, more focused to pay attention to tomorrow, but the most important is the highest point this stock reached was $20.02. It went from way down here at 874 all the way to $20.02. That is the most important resistance level. It's the highest point, and it got rejected from there. But in the short term and more focused, 1463 is the first level of resistance, so new resistance levels can be broken. Now, the 50-day moving average is way down here at 1089. Let me see if I can land right on it, because it's not letting me, but it's 1089. Closest to it, 1088. But 1089 is the 50-day moving average. And as long as this stays above that, the bulls are in control, even though the bears appeared and they leveled this off, right? As long as it stays above 1089, bulls are in control, and the bears are only trying their best to tear this down. It closed out at 1325, though, so that's something to keep in mind. Now, the support is 1298. If 1298 gets crossed, I'm not saying that the bears have won and destroyed this chart, but they're well on their way to gaining control and getting closer to the 50-day moving average, because if it breaks through support, this 50-day moving average is going to continue to move up closer to it, and it's just going to make it easier for the bears to intersect through it and bringing it to newer lows and bringing it into bearish territory. Now, two things can happen. Bears gain control and brought this to newer lows, or the bulls can take advantage of the price and bring this one back up. So that's something to keep in mind and bear in mind and be very mindful of and watch. Now, Google is a big top player. I mean, Google is such a huge company that if you go here to the stock screener and we go to market, most capitalized in the market, Google is up there in like the top 5. 1, Apple, 2, Microsoft, 3, Amazon, there you go, 4. And then the next one is Google Class B, Class A and Class B. So regardless, it's up there. It's in the top 5. This is being acquired by one of the top dogs. So there's some influence that Google had here upon that news. But not only that, if Google's acquiring it, it's for a reason. I don't know if they're going to tie ADT in with their Google Home, smart home stuff. I'm not sure. That's something to look into, do your research, do your due diligence. But I do want to share these numbers with you guys. As long as it stays above 50-day moving average, bulls are in full health. If it breaks through support, keep a close eye on it. And if it breaks through resistance, it can be well on its way back to an upward trend, and the bullish rally can start again and continue. So we'll see how this one plays out tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching.